This is the Smart Room Assistant from KTEK Technologies Limited. Make your apartment, hotel, and suites, or B&B, short-let, truly smart and active. Go to the Tech website to register device and complete device registration by active email account. With a successful registration, a welcome screen will pop up. Now log into your web app by PC or phone. Enter exit time to activate room. You can also use the date picker for this. We enter 200 minutes, which is 3 hours and 20 minutes. As you can see, electrical power is restored. This will only be active until exit time. Go to app settings, set minimum and maximum temperature and humidity range. Device location GMT and time read. For this demo, 2 minutes is entered for time read. We updated exit time to 5 minutes. At 2 minutes remaining, client will be notified on exit time. In hotel setting, 1 to 2 hours time read would be ideal. When exit time reaches 0, electrical power is deactivated as shown. Use the date time picker for checkout time. This will show clients remaining. Available night, hours, minutes, and seconds. Client can screen touch to check remaining exit time. Room temperature in degrees Celsius and Fahrenheit, room humidity, current date and time info. With our SRA receptionist can send a low priority messages and high priority messages with client feedback. Timely based reminder messages. Up to 7 different colors of flashlight can be sent to clients. Pick your color and enter the number of flashes. Beep or alarm can be activated as well. For an active time running, room can be put in an idle mode if client is not around to save and manage electrical power, as you can see. Receptionist can use app or client can tap on the screen to reactivate power, as you can see. This device also features available time remaining, room temperature and humidity measurements with real-time updates on devices and app. If room temperature and humidity measurements is not within the minimum and maximum range, example, room is overheating. After a few seconds, an auto cut will be triggered to prevent electrical damage of lives and property. Electrical power outage don't affect exit time even for days or months. And app will auto-updated when power is restored. Double-click End Timer to end active time and deactivate room. You can control your Smart Room Assistant from anywhere you are in the world. This is Dr. Charles controlling our SRA from a different state in real time.
Or home automation special project. Please contact us on the number you see on your screen.